Guys, welcome back again. Right, so let's talk about AdSense arbitrage. The other time we talk about paper arbitrage, cryptocurrency arbitrage. We also talk about how you can fund your dollar account, so some of those stuff like that, and how you can trade Bitcoin the right way and make money for yourself. Right, so you know what arbitrage is all about. And here we are talking about AdSense. You're not new to AdSense. AdSense is an ad network owned by Google. All right, Google AdSense. They pay publishers. If your site is approved, they pay you for every ad you show on your site and people watch or click. So you make money according to the traffic you get based on the quality. All right. So welcome back to our channel again, Tech Easy Web Tutorial Hub, where we teach people how to make money online. We discuss about technology, tutorials, and so many other things. All right. So we have a lot of videos here that will guide you on how you can make your first million online. All right. So to get things going, all right, so I will be explaining this with graphical representation. Okay, we're going to be doing this with graphical representation. Like, we are on our mirror here, so I'm going to be pulling out some kind of illustration for you to understand what this arbitrage is all about. All right, so like someone would say, search engine optimization, if you rely on it solely, that's just rat race. All right, so if you have money to push traffic using any method to your website and at the end make money, that's arbitrage automatically, right? So you spend less and you earn big, like S3 or S5 of what you spent. All right, so you understand what I mean by S5 times 5 of it. All right, so let's assume this is your website. All right, and on the other side, that's the ads network you will be using to push traffic from the ads network to your website. All right, these are the ad network. All right, so but some of these ad network are not safe. They are not safe at all. They are not safe for your AdSense. You might get banned, get disabled, or you get ad limits, or most times it might not even fetch you anything. Like, you keep running this ad and keep wasting money. All right, so from this ad network, we have numerous ad network that could do this job for you, but I'll be mentioning just three. All right, just three platform you will be able to get this from. But apart from that, I will okay, look at this screenshot. That's a top blogger you know already. All right, that's one of them. This is one of them, and this is mine personally. This is mine. Okay, this is mine. Like, from arbitrage, you can just spend money on some of those stores, spend less, and you earn big time from AdSense. All right, AdSense is about you having traffic, good traffic, and whenever you have good CPC, and CPC, what contributes to high CPC mostly is the kind of content you write. All right, your site speed contribute to your earning, and all of those things. Some kind of traffic, if you're getting traffic from Taiwan countries, but the mistake people make most time is for you to drive Taiwan country's traffic to a local content. What do I mean by local content? You can't be writing for Canada or United Kingdom and be driving traffic from Africa to it, or from should I say, you can't be writing for Canada and you are driving traffic from Australia. So whatsoever, whichever country your article is targeting, that's where you should be pushing your traffic from, because it's most important to them. If, let's assume, you're running traffic from you're writing content which is focused on Africa strictly, and you are pushing traffic from Canada, it won't work. You will have high bounce rate and nobody might be interested in reading what you posted. So let's assume someone is writing a scholarship articles. Like, most of these scholarships are mostly wanted by Africans. They're most needed by Africans. So if you're targeting Africa and you want to run your ads, you should target the whole of Africa and not a specific country. If you target a specific country in the whole of the continent, you will spend more than targeting a continent, right? So just have that at the back of your mind that whenever you're running your ads, you should target continent and not countries, right? Like the whole of Africa. If you want to target Asia, you target Asia countries, all right? If it's North America, South America, all right? So that's how we should run it. Just take note of that. And then on doing this, we have three websites here, three major websites. Like this fourth one I'm bringing in here, they don't have enough traffic of their own, all right, but they share in Astera, Propeller, and AdBright, some of those stuffs, all right. So AdCash is not rich in enough traffic like Propeller does. Propeller has a lot of publishers compared to any of these things, all right. So like I promised, I said I'm going to be listing three, but I have four here, but the AdCash shouldn't be mentioned, but just have it as a bonus, all right. So the major three we should use is Facebook, Propeller Ads, and the Astera. For the Astera, they have they are good, they are powerful, like they have enough traffic as well. They have a lot of publishers, and their ads is quite cheaper compared to any you've seen here. They are cheaper when it comes to bidding. I mean your CPC bidding. They are the cheapest here. All right, so they are the cheapest. And then talking about Propeller, Propeller is also good. Their pop under, their push ads, their social bar, in page, all of those stuff, their Intasia, and all of those in banner ads, they are good. There's no doubt about that, they are good. All right, so, and like I said earlier, when you are targeting a country on them, you should not target country. Whenever you are pushing your traffic, you shouldn't target countries, target continents to have a good result. And before doing that, your ad placement matters a lot. Your ad placement on the site. So you should endeavor to use auto ads, and increase the load to maximum. Okay, just to have the whole of it around the website. Okay, so when running this, you need to fund, like for the Facebook, Google AdSense normally don't like traffic from Facebook. They don't buy it. They don't like it. They don't enjoy it. All right. So what you should do to avoid ad limits and getting your account disabled, you should find a way to convert social traffic to organic. All right. So that's the secret anyway. But if you need it, don't forget to drop a comment, and I'll drop a video on how you can convert social traffic to organic for your AdSense safety, all right, and increase your earnings automatically. All right, so that's just how it is. And like I said earlier, your site speed matters a lot. And just imagine you spending just $100 on traffic. Okay, just imagine spending just $100 on traffic, and you make $1,000. That's a whopping interest of $900. That is amazing. And you spend 200. Though this all depends on your ad creative. If you are technical, or maybe you know how to create ads the right way, you won't have problem. Okay, if you know how to create ads the right way, you will never have problem setting this up. All right, so though I have a course that I bought, it's quite expensive anyway. Okay, so if you will be needing it, don't forget to send us an email indicating what you need. All right, so if you want a course, you can kindly message yours and you have the course. Okay, but apart from that, you can even join our partner program. All right, our membership to get this. Kindly join our membership. Sorry, and using this method, I was able to pull up $400 and something sometimes ago daily. All right, and the AdSense account is safe till I sold it, which all this boiled down from my zeal and my desire to start a profitable channel, YouTube channel. All right, so I don't have the time to keep writing, and most of these writers are just spawning articles. They're not writing articles from fresh. They keep copying and pasting, and which could land someone in trouble. All right, because of the MCA, all those stuff. All right, so like I said, and while you are doing this, you should also activate your subscribers plugin, like one signal. All right, so that's exactly how to run AdSense arbitrage, Google AdSense arbitrage, all right, without using any app, no third-party app. All you need to do is just to spend money and you make more money. All right, so please, in case you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.